Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Binance app voucher. To get started, firstly you need to open the Binance app on your device and make sure you are logged into account. And next is you need to tap to your three-lined icon in the top left. So from here what you need to do is you need to select this reward hub under the shortcut. So under this reward hub, what you need to do is this is where you'll find available vouchers and promotional rewards. So if you have a voucher code over here, what you need to do is you need to select this my vouchers. And if you find your voucher here, you need to simply tap the voucher code and claim the voucher option. Enter your voucher code exactly as provided. And under this reward shop here, you need to select this token voucher to redeem. And over here you can claim your voucher. Enter your voucher code exactly as provided, and after that you can simply redeem it here. And once the code is accepted, your voucher will appear in your list of available rewards depending on the type of voucher. And that is it. That is how you can redeem and use a Binance voucher in the Binance app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.